Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Well, this is not a normal cooking video, but I have decided to give the kitchen a whole new look. It was a kitchen which I didn't design or plan, but it was already there, and I've enjoyed many years in this kitchen cooking some amazing meals and creating some beautiful memories with you guys as well. But it's time to move on and create a beautiful new space, and I know a lot of you are interested in following the journey with me, so I am taking you with me on this journey to get myself a brand new kitchen. And while I share the transformation with you, I promise to share all the details of the brands and things I'm using, because I do get lots and lots of inquiries otherwise. I'm going to leave all the information in the description box below. So basically the first step was to find the right design and the right people to help me get that lovely kitchen. So I did some research and I came across this company called SHERATON Interiors, and I paid them a visit. This is the showroom for SHERATON Interiors. It is based in London, and I am here to look at some of the samples so I can choose the right design for my kitchen. So many choices, so many amazing things to choose from the cupboards to the surface to the taps to all the little details, and it is quite exciting, but I want to make sure that it looks nice and I am kind of comfortable with it in the long run, cooking there every day, plus making videos for you guys. So in the end, the choices come to there are lots of choices, but I have narrowed them down to a grey or kind of really nice black, and a little bit of wood thrown in, and it is quite a hard decision because I love them both, but I think somehow my heart is going for this particular dark color. Once I have made my selection of really dark units and absolutely a bright work surface, it was time to say goodbye and rip out the old kitchen. It's empty! Oh my gosh, it just feels so weird. It's all empty, everything's gone. Just absolutely all gone, and in 10 minutes people will be here to take this all apart, and I am extremely excited. But this kitchen has been so special to me because it's given me so much, and you know, I just feel that I could do what I could with, you know, so much with Bake Off, YouTube, because of this amazing kitchen. But it's time for a new stuff, and oh, that's still left. Yeah, very excited. It's all completely empty, and it does look so different to how a full kitchen looks. And I have to say, it is still a beautiful and lovely kitchen, which has given me many hours of happy cooking. This is the little utility room next to the kitchen, which is also getting a makeover with the main kitchen. And just like that, it's time. The team from SHERATON is here to get rid of all the traces of the old kitchen. All gone, it's empty, clean slate, and next, the exciting bit.
Yeah, what you
So
want?
this is the current kitchen situation. Some of the stuff is here, and this is like the little cooking station I have here with some kettle, toast, a little pot, and my microwave is here, and that is where the action is happening. Woohoo! Right, so we have the shell of the kitchen, nothing left, and now the new units start going in bit by bit.
Yeah? Beautiful.
That's where the ovens are going to go in, the microwave, the shelving, the hob is back where it was, and some more shelving right here. The sink will go in. Beautiful massive sink. And the utility room is also taking shape at the same time. For the surface, I have chosen a really light color because that'll just make it brighter and nicer. And also I had really dark surface, so I'm just making it a major contrast, trying to bring a change. And I've gone for DEKTON, which is really beautiful, but at the same time it's hardy, so it can take really hot things on top, scratches, knives, and really strong surface. So once the shell of the kitchen is in, the guys from the marble group were here to take the measurements for the worktop. So impressed by the precision and detail with which they took the whole measurements for the worktop, and these guys were from the marble group who did the whole thing and spent hours getting it all right. And once that was done, it was time for the electricians to get in and get all the lights and sockets and everything sorted. So we have reached the next stage, which is we have got lights, and this was such a dark corner previously because there was no light here, and there was just a side light which was not enough, so it was really dark. But now we have got lights all around. We've got rid of the center lights here, which I never liked ever. So I am very pleased to get spotlights all around, which will give it kind of even lights everywhere. And yeah, that is all very exciting. So the paint right now is a beige color and a dark blue, but I wanted something a little bit, slightly bit brighter, because this is the worktop that's going in, which is more grey white, and this beige wasn't going in. So God, there are so many kinds of whites. It's just mind-boggling. Anyways, out of all the whites, I finally got them down to two, which is a slightly greyish white and a proper white. And I have a feeling that the greyish, slightly greyish white is much better than the white. So I started painting some of the kitchen bits. Lots more to paint. Next was to sort out all the tiles and the plinth and the finer few details of the kitchen. So we are on to the next phase, and today the fridge is back in place. Oh, fridge is back in place. The ovens are in place and the microwave is in place, which is all super amazing. They're all connected and all ready to be used, which is great. I cannot wait for next week for the last and final finishing. So now the biggest question is the spice storage, which is the biggest question. Before it used to be here, very nicely, neatly organized. But I wanted this time to be next to the hob, and I think these shelves, if I can just get kind of wooden slopes like this, and then the spices can just rest here and I can see all the spices in one glance, which will make the cooking and the whole process so much more easier. And then the most exciting thing happened. The DEKTON worktops arrived, and it made the difference. It just made the kitchen come together so beautifully. Right, the worktops are in. They look so beautiful. I can't just can't get enough of this. And that means there are a few things left, like the hob and the taps and things like that. So I am going to get stuck in, give the kitchen a good clean and start organizing. So thanks for watching. Join me in the next video where I will organize this brand new kitchen. Join me in the next video where I will share how I am organizing my new kitchen and I get ready to cook for you guys very soon.